Yeah. It does. That's gonna, if that drops, that's gonna be a large tornado.
I think it's on the ground.
I think it is too. I can't tell for certain, but
it's like there's 3 being picked up right now.
Right. Get ready to bail back east because this is gonna.
Oh, dude,
That's definitely a wall cloud. I think so. I'm just saying, just in case. It's definitely that's the wall cloud right there. We'll attest to that.
Oh, athlete. I'm not gonna pull off this camera just yet.
Large wall cloud. It's not tight yet, but it's a big wall cloud.
Now we're getting some hail here too on top of it.
We're okay. We're okay.
Oh yeah, look at the motion.
Yep.
Yep.
Definitely
That's
see it.
rotating strong.
That's gonna pass to our east too, man. Yeah, it's gonna slide this way.
I hope so.
That might be on the ground.
That's what I thought too. Sure looks that way. We've got a lot of rotation there on the base. Sure looks like it to me.
Look at it now.
It's defining, it's tightening.
Yeah, I'm gonna hop in. Let's get this rain.
Make sure your door gets shut all the way.
Yeah, no.
Close your window up, buddy. I got it.
Look at it. Look at it. Look at it right
It's
there.
coming out. Oh yeah. Dude, this is gonna be a wedge. Huge tornado. Look at how big the wall cloud is.
We got 2 wall clouds. That whole thing right there is all rotating. All
Yeah. It is.
And that looks like it's moving right towards us, guys.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think we can have to
We need
reposition.
to back out. We need to get out of here, like now. That's moving right at us.
We're okay. You're okay yet.
We need to back up about a mile.
We need to go south is what we need to do.
We're okay just yet. Just hang on a second.
Oh, look at this. Look at this update on the rotation. Look. Let's see, where are we finally showing up on this thing? It's not
It's coming
updating.
right at us, too.
It might lift north, though.
It's not really tight though.
The wall cloud's gigantic.
Yeah, this is gonna be a significant tornado. Stop right here, stop right here.
Give me to a spot that I can turn around here. So
There.
Okay, let's do it.
There it is, on the ground.
look at the motion. Look at the motion.
Yep. Time to get out.
Strong tornado. Wow! It's gonna be a violent tornado. Look at that, multi-vortex. Strong tornado, it's about to cross the road right up there.
Right where we were at.
Look at it. Look at the motion.
It's gonna be a violent tornado. Okay, it's crossing the road. Prepare to go back to that highway and follow it north. Horizontal vortices. Violent tornado. All right, we're losing our view. Let's go back. Let's go back. We're gonna lose our view now. Let's turn around. Go back to the highway.
Get in. Get in.
Go, let's go. I'm ready.
Okay, it lifted. It lifted.
Oh, I think it's on the ground. It's just.
Look at that rope. Rope tornado. Look at it. Look at it. Look how tall it is.
choked off. It's RFD. All right, let's go east.
Okay, so turn back around. Get back in.
Give me a second to get my foot in. Oh, wow. That's native.
Yeah, guess NATO. Definitely guess NATO there. It's cool. Here, I'll fix this for you.
Nope, no, just leave it.
Okay.
Just leave it.